Welcome. This is Arun and Dr. G. Magesh. Today we are going to present our paper titled Effect of Chitosan Agar Blend Concentration on Chitosan Agar Encapsulated ZNO Nanoparticles. The main objective of this research work is to synthesize Chitosan Agar Encapsulated ZNO Nanoparticles and to investigate its in vitro antibacterial activity. Chitosan agar encapsulated ZNO nanoparticles were synthesized through in situ chemical preparation method by varying the chitosan agar concentration. To characterize and confirm the physical properties of the sample, it is analyzed through XRD, SEM, HRTM, UV visible and FTIR spectral analysis. The main aim of this work is to develop for chitosan agar encapsulated ZNO nanoparticles for biomedical application. So this is the procedure we followed for the synthesis of chitosan agar encapsulated ZNO nanoparticles. And this is the image of X-ray diffraction analysis of chitosan agar blend ZNO nanoparticles. Here the A shows the XRD pattern of pure chitosan agar blend, and all the peaks of chitosan agar ZNO nanoparticles corresponds to the hexagonal wedge-side structure. And from figure B to E it shows the with an increase in concentration of chitosan agar blend, the peak becomes broader and weaker, which implies the possibility of changes in grain size. This might be due to the lower crystallinity and the formation of smaller nanoparticles. However, it confirms the role of chitosan agar blend as reducing and stabilizing agents. And this figure shows the FESM analysis of chitosan agar ZNO nanoparticle. From the same image, it was clear that they are in nano-sized with uniform spindle-shape morphology. And from the result, it is concluded that the chitosan agar blend played a crucial role in stabilizing and it terminates the growth of the particles which correlates with XRD. And this image shows the EDAX spectrum of chitosan agar ZNO nanoparticles. The presence of ZN and O confirmed by EDAX spectrum. And this figure shows the HRTM analysis of chitosan agar ZNO nanoparticles. The HRTM image of 3-gram chitosan agar ZNO nanoparticles were in spherical and spindle-shaped morphology, which is shown in figure A and B. Chitosan agar blend formed a layer around the ZNO nanoparticles is clearly visible as a layer of amorphous phase. And in figure D, it exhibits the SAED pattern and particle size distribution histogram. An average particle size of 14 to 15 nanometer is found from the histogram, which is consistent with the crystalline structure size obtained from XRD. The rings with discrete spots shows the polycrystalline nature of the sample. And this image shows the UV visibility analysis of agar ZNO nanoparticles. And the insert figure shows the UV spectrum of full chitosan agar blend. From figure A to D, the absorbance band is obtained at 367 nanometer for low concentration of chitosan agar ZNO nanoparticles. By increasing the concentration, the absorption peak shifts to lower wavelength of 359 nanometer, 354 nanometer, and 349 nanometer, which can be assigned to the intrinsic band gap absorption of ZNO due to electron transition from the valence band to conduction band. And this figure shows the FTIR analysis of chitosan agar ZNO nanoparticles. The IR spectrum of nanoparticles contains all the characteristics peak of chitosan agar and ZNO. In comparison with blend, a new intense absorption peak at 584 centimeter inverse to 512 centimeter inverse and 456 centimeter inverse to 452 centimeter inverse are assigned to stretching mode of ZNO bonding is due to the intermolecular interaction between amide group of chitosan agar blend and ZNO. While increasing the chitosan agar concentration, the intensity of the ZNO vibration frequency become weak and shifts to lower frequency region, which is due to the changes in nanostructure features. The observation results confirm the reduction of ZNO nanoparticles in the chitosan agar blend matrix. And this PL analysis of chitosan agar ZNO nanoparticles is shown in figure. The emission spectrum exhibits a weak blue broadband which is absorbed at 446 nanometer due to surface defects in ZNO, mainly due to the ZN vacancy. The changes of emission confirm the reduction of ZNO nanoparticles in the biopolymer blend matrix. And this is the antibacterial activity of chitosan agar ZNO nanoparticle. The chitosan agar blend did not reveal any antibacterial activities, whereas the chitosan agar blend loaded with ZNO exhibited potent antibacterial activity against the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. As the concentration of chitosan agar blend increases from 0.1 gram to 3 gram, the zone of inhibition also increases. In addition, it is clear that the bactericidal activity increases with the decrease in particle size, which might be due to the large surface to volume ratio. And finally the conclusion, the exotic result exhibits the chitosan agar blend ZNO nanoparticles, where in the hexagonal wedge structure, on increasing the concentration of chitosan agar blend, the crystalline size is reduced from 17.07 nanometer to 12.9 nanometer. The presence of ZNO and composition of the nanoparticles were confirmed by EDX. FTIR spectrum reveals the interaction between functional group of ZNO and polymer blend matrix. So this is the final conclusion, and the result indicates the chitosan agar concentration plays a crucial role in stabilizing. Thank you.